Hey guys, welcome to the 12th exercise of Autodesk Fusion 360 Beginners tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to be showing you how I designed this figure using Autodesk Fusion 360. Here are the dimensions of the figure and the tools and commands we are going to use in this tutorial. If you guys have any suggestions and recommendations, please let me know in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get into it. First, create a new design by going to File, select New Design. Create a new sketch on the right plane. Draw a center point rectangle of dimension 16 by 165 cm square. Now draw two concentric center circle of diameter 25 and 50 cm respectively. Now go to Sketch Dimension. Select the center and this edge and give a distance between them as 27 cm. Again, this center and give a distance of 7.5 cm. Now go to Center Point Arc. Select the center as this point and draw two arcs as follows. Go to Sketch Dimension and give this arc a radius of 60 cm and this one of 90 cm. Now draw two 2-point circles as follows. Now go to Center Diameter Circle. Now draw a circle on the center of diameter 12 cm. Now go to Circular Pattern. For the object, select this circle and as the center point, select this point. Make the type as angle and give it a total angle of 90 degree. Change the number of quantity to 4. Press OK. Draw a vertical line from this quadrant of the circle up to this circle and repeat the same process here also. Now stop sketch. Go to Extrude. Select this profile and extrude it symmetrically up to 28 cm. Now turn on the visibility of the previous sketch by going here. Go to Extrude. This time select the circular profile and extrude it symmetrically up to 33 cm. Press OK. Now again go to Extrude. This time select these profiles and extrude them from an offset plane of -10 cm up to a distance of -15 cm. Press OK. Again go to Extrude, select this profile and extrude it from an offset plane of -12 cm up to a distance of -10 cm. Press OK. Turn off the visibility of the previous sketch. Now create a new hole on this surface. Select the drill point as flat, extend all, give it a diameter of 16 cm. For references, select these two corner edges and give a distance of 25 cm respectively. Press OK. Again repeat hole on this surface, diameter 16, extend all. For references, select this edge and give a distance of 25 cm and for this edge give a distance of 20 cm. Press OK. Now go to Fillet and fillet this edge up to 10 cm. Now assign some color to the figure by going to Appearance by pressing A. Here is our design ready. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep designing and design whatever you love. Bye bye.